last and of course the most important ceremony or meeting in Agile is iteration retrospective or sprint retrospective within the sprint. The very purpose of retrospective meeting is to improve the process. Continuous improvement is the focus. As part of the retrospective meeting, we inspect the process, the practices that what we used, and the behaviors of the individuals, whether they are conducive to an agile environment or not, and we come up with action items at the end of this retrospective meeting, which will be implemented in the upcoming sprints for continuous improvement. Without action items, it doesn't make sense. Continuous improvement doesn't occur. Teams have to be relentlessly looking at the improvement opportunities, and iteration retrospective is an opportunity, a formal opportunity for the teams to implement the practice of continuous improvement. The facilitator of the retrospective, usually the scrum master of the team, starts the retrospective ideally with a statement called Kert Norm Prime Directive. The name of the statement is Prime Directive. So the statement reads like this: regardless of what we discover today, we understand and truly believe that everyone did their best given what they knew at this time and the skills and abilities they have, the resources available to them, and the situation at hand. The effectiveness of teams can be improved in the retrospectives if they focus on the product, the process, the people themselves, and the project metrics. Since a retrospective is a special meeting wherein the team gathers to improve themselves, improve the processes, the team has to use this inspect and adapt opportunity to improve the way they work and move forward. The facilitator ensures that the retrospective is conducted usually in 5 steps. The very first step is setting the stage, where the retrospective starts with the prime directive statement, as well what is the goal of the retrospective, and ensures that everybody can comfortably discuss and contribute to the issues. The second stage is gather data, wherein gather metrics, burn down chart, numbers, velocity, any count of defects, etc. are all gathered. And the third step is generating insights into the data. They identify the team's strengths and issues, get into details as to further insights as to how we can improve to become more effective, using these data points. And then the fourth step is decide what to do. Basing on the generate data insights that the team has done, they have the information available for them to take a decision. The team takes a collective and participatory decision, and the retrospective will be closed in the next step, step 5, which is close the retrospective. And the retrospective decisively. At the end of the retrospective, the team would have few action items that they will be working on in the immediate coming sprint or upcoming sprints.